Disney Plus is finally here. We've been waiting for a year and finally we get to watch Disney. Seriously, Vizio? You've known about it for a year. Really? Come on.
Now, I don't claim to be an expert at this, but some people have asked from our previous video how they can go ahead and stream the Disney Plus with their iPhone. So you can bypass the Vizio problem by downloading AirPlay on your iPhone. Once you download AirPlay from your iPhone, you'll have to go to your TV and set it as the input as AirPlay. Once you do that, go to your Apple TV AirPlay, go ahead and find the Disney Plus app, open it up, and then you can start seeing it on your phone. Once you do that, you're looking for the three little icons in the upper right hand side. The one in the middle is AirPlay. You click AirPlay, it'll come up with this window, and then you will choose the living room display or whatever display you name it for your TV. And then it should start playing on your television set where you'll have your Disney Plus and be able to watch shows like The Mandalorian. So this is just another way for you to bypass the Vizio problem. Now, as a side note, if you go to use your phone for something else, it will stop casting to your TV. So you need to make sure that you don't plan on using your phone while you're watching it on your TV. So that's just a side note you need to be aware of.
Thank you guys so much for checking out our video. Hopefully we've helped you in some way. Disney Plus is a big deal and it's a big announcement, so we want you to be able to enjoy it as well. Thank you so much. Make sure you bop that like button down below, smash that subscribe button, and remember, keep Meyers and the mouse in your house.